Do a quick demonstration of removing the crank on our Delfast bikes. This procedure is not unique to our bikes, but I think some customers will find it useful. So all I need to start off with is an 8mm Allen key, and with it I'm going to remove this bolt. The bolt is used to press the crank onto the bottom bracket, but removing the bolt doesn't make it possible to remove the crank. To remove the crank, we need a Park Tool CCP-22. Park Tool CCP-22. This is a crank removal tool. And with this, we just thread it into the outside here until it goes all the way in. And then we turn it, and when it meets contact it's going to get hard to turn, but we just keep turning it and it presses that crank right off the bottom bracket shaft. The cranks on our bikes aren't unique to Delfast. I'll provide a link to an Amazon item that is an exact replacement, and that'll make it a lot less expensive and a lot more timely to replace a crank if you happen to need to do so. I've had to do so because I bent one on a mountain bike ride. So to put the crank back on, we just put it back on the shaft, make sure that it is opposite the other side, and then we turn this Allen nut back in, and when we start to meet resistance we'll need to have more torque. This is just friction fitting that crank onto the tapered shaft of the bottom bracket. And that does it. That's all there is to it.